Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got MJ Lacquer Pinkaboo and Beauty Big Bang XL-038. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Pinkaboo September Polish Pickup and it's a thermal. So here we go. We're going to go in with our first coat of Pinkaboo, and when it's in one state it's this kind of darkened cranberry mulberry color. When it changes, it gets pink. Yay! I am capping my fridge here, and this thing is loaded with some gorgeous flakies. Hang on a minute, we gotta get Woody. Hi Woody, how you doing? Gotta get that glob. There we go. And that glob. And a little bit over here. And here we go for our second coat. See all those flakies? Oh, love it. Love some flakies. And this polish is so cool because, you know, it's a thermal. So pretty. Kind of fighting with the flaky on the end. Make sure that nothing's sticking out. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so we can do some playing. Now I've got a couple of swatch pictures coming up. There we go. So here we go. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love it. Today I'll be using Beauty Big Bang XL-038 and my Konad stamper and my other little scraper from H. La Cosadora, and I'll be stamping with Essie's Penny Talk today. This is a great polish to use for stamping. I love it. And I'm just going to use several images off of this plate just because I want to. I'm going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate is getting cleaned with pure acetone when I get to that part. But since I'm using different images, I'm not too worried about cleaning it up immediately. And there we go. Ta-da! Ooh, I got that stuff all over my finger. It's okay, though. It'll come up pretty easy here in a little bit. Alright, so I turned the plate around so I could use some of the other images on the top row, but now it's moved to the bottom row, but the plate's upside down, so it's okay. Use my finger to tap some of the flyaways down, and then down to this last one, the pinky nail. There we go. Yay, they're all stamped up. Now I'm going to clean this whole plate off with pure acetone, and then I wipe over it with a paper towel. That takes away the foggy look all over it. And then I'm going to clean my little mat off too. And now I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get any excess up off of my skin. Alright, now for some cleanup time with the cleanup brush. There we go, going all the way around. There wasn't much to clean up. I'll be topping this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And I think this turned out pretty good. I mean, maybe not perfect, but that's okay. There we go. Once that top coat's dry, I'm going to cover everything with Poshe top coat. And we're going to seal this one in and call it finished. And I really loved how that Penny Talk looked over the... Oh, that just looked so pretty. Over that Pinkaboo. There we go. And there is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.